At Colors on Parade, we provide our customers EcoSmart repairs. What does that mean? This is a perfect example of what we offer. This customer came to us with a massive bid from a traditional shop, and they were going to throw this bumper away and put on a new one. With our EcoSmart processes, we're going to keep your factory bumper, repair it, and most importantly, keep a massive piece of plastic out of a landfill. So by calling Colors on Parade, our customer was able to get back in their vehicle in the same day, and together we were able to avoid creating more unnecessary waste.